Good morning guys, I'm back, it's Obatron. Yeah, so today in this video we'll be looking at the primal plants in it. I don't know how to say it, but I will be showing you where they are and doing a little bit of things with them. And also, I will not be showing the journey because it just takes too long and no one wants to see the way they get there. So I'll just be skipping on and get into the first one. Let's just get straight into it. Okay guys, this is the first location. If you just come to the location where I'm at, you'll be able to find it easy. This one turns you into different dogs, and I think it turns you into a cat as well, and a warhog. Let's see which one it turns me into. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It should be right behind this baseball thing cage. Here we go. Oh, spell. Here we go. Oh, some. Oh, look like a nice dog. Oh, the dog that's ready to it. It looks like he just wants to be patted. But I don't want to be patted because I'm patrolling. I want to just eat some people. Here we go. Let's eat these. This one on the ground, the one with a white shirt. Whoa! He's kicking me. I pulled a knife out on a dog. Wait, he's some crazy man. Let's see who else pulls a knife. Trying to run off. Oh, the green one stopped walking. Wait, can we get the money? No. Here we go. See if he starts running. Yeah, he has. Oh, I feel bad. Oh, man. Oh, see if we can make it across. Ah! Oh. No. God dang it. And the funny part about this as well, like, you spawn, like, on your hands and knees or whatever you are. Okay. On to the next one. Okay, guys. This is the next one. This one actually requires an aeroplane to get onto the roof of it. So, you need to be on a roof next to this little building here. It's easy to remember. I think with this one you'll be a bird. Hopefully I'll get a good bird. Like an eagle. I think it's one of them. Maybe a seagull as well. Not too sure though. But here we go. I fell. Here we go. Oh. A chicken! Wow! I'm on some high roof and I'm a chicken.
Man, you gotta be shitting me.
Like, I can't even fly. I can't even fly. What is that?
I ain't laughing. I'm pecking, but I ain't laughing.
I'm just gonna die when I fall.
I shit an egg, I swear I'm killed.
I never died. Oh, let's just get out.
Of some shit.
What? Come on. That's awful. How can I not get out? That's my attack move. How can I should be able to get out of that. Well, this has been a short one. On to the next one. Okay, the next one requires you to be into. The next one requires you to be into the water, just off the pier where the fair is. If you dive off there and go near the edge, you should be able to get there. And you'll have to go under and find these rocks. It's right. It should be right underneath it. It's like in a square. It's right here. Right. It's just like look for something that's surrounded by rocks and then a ledge or whatever you call it. I think you can be a dolphin, shark, fish. That's about it. But different sharks like hammerheads, a great white. I think. Oh, I'm a dolphin.
Oh no.
There we
Yes.
go.
Yes.
Oh, we can't even attack.
This is amazing.
We can't
This
even
is
attack.
incredible. Damn. This is the real deal.
Uh,
This is me?
why
A
can't we dive
dolphin?
out the water either? I saw dolphins can do that.
Damn, a dolphin? Who'd have thought?
Oh,
I'd have thought.
oh,
I've always
these
loved
things
swimming.
keep making me think there's people there.
Now I do it for a living. Yeah.
Oh,
Strange.
oh, that is a person. That is a, that's a person. There's two. There we go. The hell? How did I not get scared? I know I'm a dolphin and dolphins are meant to be friendly, but yeah, I'd be scared. Wow. Literally, I'd be so scared. Wow. And you would actually like be, oh, it's a dolphin, and you just see the little pointy thing at the top, and you'll be scared. Put a comment below if you'd be scared of a dolphin. No, I would. This next one is probably one of the easiest ones, I think, because it's right next to the Santos Customs, which is near a beach, but not a popular beach, but near an airport. So it's super easy to find. All you need to do is just say you're going to the Santos Customs, just come around the back and go right here. It's super easy. I think this one's the same as the last one, where you can be dogs or a cat or a warhog. Um, I think a chicken as well. I
Oh,
think you might be able to be a chicken.
oh,
And a cat.
what?
Here we go. Not
The fuck
not
is
many that
this?
can attack. Like I've not
This,
been many people, well, animals that
shit,
can
this
attack
is
yet.
cool. This is
So if we can go
okay.
through here.
Shit. This is how shit is? This is
No.
being a fucking cat. I'm a fucking cat. A
Well,
fucking kizat,
this one's
man.
gonna be a boring
Ooh.
one again. Ah, just see if I can get myself run over. Run over, run over, run over, run over. Actually, when there's a couple, you should be able to like go through like or squeeze through little gaps. Like each cat like animal should have their own special feature. Actually, I'm gonna do that last. If I don't die when I get run over, I'm gonna see if this cat can swim. I should have do that now. The cat's actually really quick as well. Like, it's not slow or anything. Like, it's actually really quick. But the noise it makes. There we go. Okay, I just got straight back up. Right, let's try that again. There we go. This one. We're making our way to the beach.
I just fucked her.
Oh, that land. This cat ain't dying. What is that? Wait, is this cat have 9 lives? That's 3 of them. It's 3 lives so far. Oh, I don't know if it's like, I don't know, I don't know if he's meant to die, because that should actually hurt. Oh, I think he's dead now. Oh, no, that's 4 lives. Oh, okay, that's it now. That's it. 5 lives. 5 times he's got run over. This cat's mad. Cat's crazy. Look at him. Ready. Oh, no! No! 7 lives. No! And, oh, I shouldn't be laughing. It's so sad. Oh my god. Oh my. Well, for its last life, you know what to do. Oh, why am I sorry? Ah, just took the complete opposite way. It just took me in circles. It's actually really hard to. Oh, moonwalk, moonwalk. Oh, I've gone back. I'm actually pressing back. Oh, okay. Anyway, it's actually really hard to control. I don't understand. But here we go. For its last life, can it swim? Here we go. Last life. I really want it to swim. Actually, I really do. No, it just floats. Well, that was a pretty cool one. You have no lives as a cat. Oh, he's on his hands and knees again. Okay, to the next one. Okay, guys, this is the last one. I'm probably gonna do 5 a day because it just takes really long and it just takes ages, really. That's about it. So this is the last one. Just go right there, like here. Whatever. Where's the sirens? Well, I know it's definitely not after me. Hey, is that the police car? What's it doing? What? Oh, I'm gonna crash again. Oh, no, yeah. Well, anyway, okay, back to here. So what you do is once you're here, you go, I don't know if this is already meant to be smashed or if it's already there, and you just go right here, and it should be right here. There we go. See what I turn into. I think this one's a dog, chicken, and a cat again, and the warhog. Oh!
Oh,
Oh, and a
shit.
pig!
Man, you
I
kidding me.
completely forgot about the pig.
A pig?
Here
Man,
we
I
go.
love ribs,
Let's see what the
man.
pig can do.
I ain't no pig. A
Oh,
freak.
this pig can attack.
This ain't funny, man.
Come on then, pig,
I gotta
let's
stop
kill
with them
some
damn
people.
drugs, dog.
Oh, there's just no one around. I did it. What? Should I do for it? Are the people working? Let's see. Come on. Yeah, come on! Yes, there we go. Okay, is the people working? There should be. Well, there's no one here. There's no one here? Ah, that noise. I don't know where to go. I don't know what to do. Don't let me attack. Don't let me attack. Oh, a bit of lag there. Where is it? I don't know what the attacking is, it's just not letting me. I think the cat was faster than the pig and the dog, but the pig's pretty quick as well. Well, this is probably going to be a short one as well because there's nobody around. But thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe. I'll be back tomorrow with another 5 different trial plants that where you can find them in GTA. Thank you and goodbye.